In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to screenshot a Snapchat without the other person knowing. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto the Snapchat that you want to screenshot. So you're going to slide on their actual chat, and this will not say you screen recorded the chat unless you are actually screen recording. Now, you're going to make sure that the Snapchat is loaded, and then you're going to scroll down on your iPhone and turn off your Wi-Fi and make sure that you do not have airplane mode, cellular data, or Bluetooth on. You're then going to scroll back up and click on the Snapchat and screenshot it. Now, immediately, you're going to exit and delete the app. You're going to delete the app, and once you re-download it, it will show that you have not actually recorded or screenshotted their Snapchat. So you're going to turn your Wi-Fi and data back on and re-download Snapchat. Now, once it's re-downloaded, it won't show that you have actually screenshotted their Snapchat because you have deleted the app right away and you didn't have Wi-Fi. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.